SANZAF has also increasingly spoken about moving beyond emergency relief towards empowerment. So what does that shift look like in practice, and why is it so important for creating lasting change within our communities?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. You know, brothers are here. It is the aim of zakah is to transform the person who is a mustahiq, who is entitled to zakah, to a zakah payer. So when we had our last strat plan meeting for the last 3 years now, is to transfer or to spend 60% on development and 40% on relief. There will always be a need for relief. A need for relief to make sure, because everybody can't develop. And there will always be poor people. So those who can't develop, they always have to have that safety net to have the relief. But the transformation from being a mustahiq to a muzakki, the payer of zakah, is the ultimate aim of SANZAF. Like Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu told the person, rather give him an axe, let him chop his own wood and sell his wood and make his own living. Rather give a man the fishing rod, and then he can catch his own fish, support his own family.